5.9 billion naira. 5.9 billion naira. That is what the APC government of General Muhammadu Buhari and Professor Pastor Yemi Osinbajo wants to spend to teach 177 youths on how to repair mobile phones. Just to teach them the training, which means to train one of them is 33,300,000 naira. One person. These people don't fear God. They carry Bible in one hand and they lie. They carry the Quran in one hand and they lie. One is a malam, the other one is a pastor. This is a country that is highly indebted. The same people that put us in debt. The debt of Nigeria is climbing to 45 trillion naira. When our children are going to bed hungry in Nigeria. These people, they're not only greedy, they are wicked. They are wicked. The Nigeria of our dream may not come in our lifetime. It may never come until we, the people, decide to take religion out of it, but to take revolution as the real religion against the common thieves of our commonwealth. No alternative. No alternative.